So for the supervisory part of the system test today, we are going to activate the duct detector, but we will be doing it with the test function on the key remote station this time. So I'm going to be using this magnet. I'm just going to hold it up here to the key switch. It should take about 10 seconds and the system will activate and the key switch LED will light up steady red. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, I had to do that quick because that bell is very loud. And also that piezo up there is also extremely loud. So that's why I had to do it real quick. But now we can just reset from the annunciator again.